What's up, guys? So in the last video, a hacker came and put a note at the park, and my dad just ended up sitting there. So, but inside the box there's a note. But I just put it in there. After that, the video is done. Make sure to check out the hacker video. It was a strange video, guys. So let's get that note. Can you see it? Alright, guys, so I got the note. Now let's go. But first, guys, I'm going to show you what the note says. So, guys.
Yeah.
Can you see me? No, wait. Guys, can you see me? I have to go lower. Can you see me, guys? Okay, guys, I think you can see me, so let's go. Wait, guys.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, it's okay. So, guys, I put the camera down. I got the note right here. Now let's see what it says. Okay, guys, this is what it said. It says, to PZ54, you are chosen to get the treasure. I guess that's the treasure, guys. At Tyler's home. PZ1 is making a video. 71. PZ can see you. Whoa! Okay, guys. So I believe that's the treasure right there, that box. But he was planning to get to our house before I could, because he'll know I'm playing at the park, because Project Zork was always watching, guys. So, guys, let's see what's in the box. Here, wow, a medieval times sword, guys. So, guys, that's a medieval times sword, guys. Do you know something weird, guys? The phone is recording the full medieval times sword, guys, but on the phone, it's just showing like that much, guys. It's not showing the full thing. So, guys, that's weird. So that's the sword. You could do battles with that. Guys, can you see me? Oh yeah. This is a pretty cool sword, guys. No. So, guys, I'll keep this behind. I'll keep this behind me. And that was Bluebeard, guy. So, guys, I'll keep this behind me. And let's get another weapon. As you can see. And let's get another weapon. Whoa! Whoa! I got another weapon, guys. And I got two weapons. Okay, guys. I'll keep these in my pocket right here, guys. Don't look, guys. I can keep this in my pants like so, guys. Cover. Guys, you can see me. You can see me. Okay, guys. You can't see me, guys. Okay, guys, you can't see me. Okay, guys, I hid my sword, but it's not really hidden. I hid my size in my shirt. Boom. So I'm pretty knitted up, and we have one last weapon, guys. We have one last weapon, so let me pick you guys up. So, guys, let's see what the last weapon is. Oh, this is so hard. Ugh. Guys, I'm gonna fix myself up. What? So guys, I'm hiding all my weapons, and here's the last. Guys, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is, guys? It's a Kanto. Guys, do you think this is real? Comment down below if you think it's real. Just kidding. It's not real, guys. But it's really shiny. You can see, guys. So that's all that's in the mystery box. There's basically like 3 weapons. So guys, I'm gonna show you where all my weapons are hid. So if you're in the battle, you're gonna be like, if you're just walking down the sidewalk and somebody walks up to you, he's like, "Give me all your money." "Oh really? You want all my money? How about this? Here's my money." So first you smack him with the handle, and then put it back, and then pull it back out like this, and then swing it like without it cutting you, and then hold it like this, and then so 3 slices. Slice off their head again, and then stab them. So guys, now I'm gonna show you where my other 2 weapons are. They were hiding in my shirt the whole entire time, guys. Wow! Pa! So guys, at the end of this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the notifications button. Bye guys!